Hi, I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be going over a hands-on approach to teach linear equations with variables on both sides. I think a great way to do this is with money because kids are, familiar with different types of coins. So you can use N for nickels, you can use D for dimes, you can use P for pennies, and you can have them, set up the coins and use different equations so that they can be adding, 5N plus 3p equals maybe, 16p. And here the variables are on both sides, but the kids will have to solve the problem. And of course, in this example, you're going to have two different equations, right, so that they can figure out what the variable is, unless they're just solving in terms of n or in terms of p. If they want the actual numbers, you're going to have to give them a system, different linear equations, right? So they can look at this, and they can also look at n plus p equals 20. So therefore, they can solve the different things, and they can be, using the nickels and the pennies and the dimes with their hands, and it'll help them really learn how to do these types of problems. You can also use candy if you want, where you set up bubble gum as X and, Jolly Ranchers as Y, and have them solve problems like that with the candy, which is also a very fun approach. I'm Rachel, and thank you for learning with us today.